At DesktopMetal, we don't innovate for innovation's sake. When it comes to furnaces, a simpler furnace is a cleaner, more reliable furnace. We've learned this by being furnace users ourselves. Today, I'm proud to introduce you to the all-new PureSinter furnace, a high purity, high efficiency, and high reliability furnace for debinding and sintering powdered metal parts. This breakthrough new furnace design was built specifically for the needs of powdered metal manufacturing. Whether the parts are made through additive manufacturing, metal injection molding, or traditional press and sinter.
This furnace went through years of rigorous testing, where we continually pushed the boundaries of what we thought it was capable of, only to find that it exceeded every expectation.
Most sintering furnaces today do not handle contamination well.
A typical industrial vacuum furnace consists of an outer vacuum chamber with the hot zone, your insulation, heating elements, and other refractory components all inside of the chamber. At lower furnace temperatures, these materials provide ample opportunity for condensation of contaminants such as water vapor or binder. As the furnace reaches higher temperatures, these contaminants are then released, allowing them to interact with the furnace refractory materials as well as sintered metal parts. This both degrades the furnace and negatively impacts sintered part chemistry. To circumvent this issue, many processes require the use of two separate furnaces for debinding and sintering.
PureSinter eliminates all of that with an innovative silicon carbide vacuum retort design that's been in development and testing for the last 5 years.
The PureSinter furnace is based on an entirely new architecture, which puts a silicon carbide vacuum chamber inside of the hot zone and creates what we refer to as a vacuum retort. Since the entire vacuum retort heats uniformly and is non-reactive, contaminants generated during debinding have nowhere to condense and are swept away by the processing gas throughout the cycle.
PureSinter's unique vacuum retort seal keeps all oxygen out of the processing environment and therefore out of your parts, down to the parts per billion.
In our furnace, the heating elements are isolated from the binder. The binder can never see the heating elements. It's removed from the retort, and there's no place inside the retort for it to stick to because everything is hot. And so it just all exits from the chamber and is captured by the binder trap.
We've also eliminated expensive water-cooled walls, removing the need for a chiller and leveraging the extremely high thermal conductivity of silicon carbide for rapid active air cooling.
The critical components and scientific principles which allow it to operate at an extraordinarily high level of purity are actually quite simple, which consequently makes this furnace very robust, easy to use, and requiring of very little maintenance.
The PureSinter furnace operates 240 volt, so it's readily available in a lot of environments. It does use gas, but you can site the gas much closer to the furnace, so that really brings the installation costs down.
You'll be amazed at how simple sintering and the quality of your parts can be when you completely eliminate oxygen, water vapor, and carbon contamination from your retort. It's so clean that even titanium can be processed easily and with excellent properties.
Combining this with the fast cycle times achievable through rapid cooling of the silicon carbide vacuum retort, users will be able to quickly and easily refine their sintering cycles.
PureSinter is tie tested, and DesktopMetal is proud to offer this state-of-the-art solution to all sintered metal manufacturers.